What's up, guys, and welcome to the show. So finally got my clock oil in. This is what I use. I use a Liberty 100% synthetic lubrication. This is 1 ounce. You really don't need any more than that. I guess if you're doing it for years and years and years, eventually you will, but you really don't need too much more than this. This will last you a long time. Yeah, you don't really need too much more than that. But when you open up your cuckoo clock, this is your cuckoo clock right here. Of course, if you guys don't know how to open up a cuckoo clock, I will show you that right now. Basically, this is the back of your cuckoo clock. Each cuckoo clock is different. Sometimes you gotta unscrew the back. Sometimes you just gotta same backing as this. Sometimes they have clips. They're all usually different. This one, you just undo the clip and then just pull up and then out. Sometimes it's a little stuff, but you pull up and out and then pull up again. So you have that little lip right there. That banging that you heard is, of course, the chime. Chimes are on the back of these things, but certain cuckoo clocks are different. These are the back. This is the back of the cuckoo clock. Those are, of course, your gears, everything like that. Look for points like... Let's give you one sec right here. Grab you guys a little pointer there. Sorry about that. Give me a minute there. Okay. So look for points like that. You have your gears that kind of pop out a little bit. There's a little lip around there. It's called an oiler. If you have a bushing, if they're loose and they need a bushing, oiler goes out and then the rest of it goes in. So you have your oiler right there. There's another point right there. Another one right there. One behind here, there. One right there. One right there. And then, of course, there's another one behind here as well. Don't believe, yeah, there's one behind here as well. So pretty much get in there with a flashlight, anything you need. Now there's a couple different ways you can oil this clock here. You could use this needle, or you could open it up and just use a toothpick head. Some guys will open their oil, dip the head of the Q-tip in the oil, and then just bring it here and then just rub the oil around. You can do that as well, but a lot of the guys, they like the pins. I usually just use this because it's a lot easier instead of unscrewing the bottle, dipping it in, so on and so forth. Just pop this off like so. You'll see there's a bit of oil still in there. If this will focus at all, there you go. You see you got that hole there, so it's like a tube there to it. Basically, once you get it to that'll focus. Once you get it to there, you just put your needle on that point and then just do a circular motion tight right in there. So this will be your needle, and then you just push it in like so, and then around there. Don't really squeeze the bottle too much, just kind of let it flow. You just need a dab of oil. You don't want to put too much because then you're going to be dripping all the way down. You're going to be dripping onto your clock, out of your clock, everywhere like that. You just want a dab of oil and then just kind of rub it around. That's all you really want to do when you oil a clock. And like I said, just a dab for each one and that's how you oil a clock. So you don't use much at all, so the bottle like this will last you forever. But anyway, I know this is a quick video for today. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, I love you very much, and I will check you in the next video.